Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the equity markets and bond markets are flashing quite different signals, and equity markets seem quite out of step with the operating economic data. When these vary, there is usually a reckoning, and that usually, but not always, results in an equity correction. But first up today, the overnight dairy auction brought results similar to what the derivatives market had expected, maybe slightly better, because they show early season strength in whole milk powder demand and prices. Volumes sold were the highest since October 2024. And helping the tone was the fall in the New Zealand dollar, which boosted the rise in local currency. Overall, the event ended up 0.7% higher in US dollars and up 1.5% in New Zealand dollars. The industry will be satisfied the new season is off to a good start. Meanwhile, the widely watched American ISM Services PMI unexpectedly fell in July from June. The result was lower than expected. The services sector is now nearly stagnant, with seasonal and weather factors having a negative impact on business. A slowdown was most evident in the fall in new orders. Activity is still operating faster than new orders are arriving, so that is not great for the future. Not slowing are price increases, so all the signs of stagflation are here. In India, their services PMI tells a booming story. International orders and overall sales rose sharply to the fastest increase in business activity for 11 months. However, price pressures re-accelerated there, so the boom comes with inflation consequences. As a report in sharp contrast to the lackluster American equivalents, someone is quite envious of their success and is now threatening sharply higher tariffs. Meanwhile, Trump is signalling that their endless truce with China will get another extension. And China delivered a positive data surprise yesterday, with the private Caixin services PMI rising and by more than expected. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.20% and up 1 basis point from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $3,379 an ounce, up $7 from yesterday. But American oil prices have slipped back again, down another $1 to just under $65.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is at $67.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 59 US cents, and little change from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 30 basis points though, at 91.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 51 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at just on 66.9 and down 10 basis points. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.